Hello everyone, how are you doing? So welcome back to my channel. This is Deepak, and today we'll be discussing about new free tip which is given by the official FPL recently. So yes, there are two free hits available at a time. So we are available with lot of chips, free hit, two free hits, bench boost, and triple captain. And for some of the users, maybe wild card or maybe two wild cards. So let's see what is this chip about and what we'll be discussing. So we'll be discussing about these items. What is this free about? How to use it and when it is available, and what is the best time to use it. So let's start. So this is the official communication from the FPL, which mentioned from Game Week 20 onwards, the free chip will be available. So don't worry if you don't see this second free chip option in your official app or web application. So just wait for Game Week 20. It should appear at that time. And there's a catch in this free chip. If you see, this is second communication rollout. Okay, is in the same thread. They mentioned you cannot use two free hits at the same consecutive game week. So if you have two free hits available, like me as well, I have all the two free hits available. I cannot use it on 21 and 22 at the same time. So there should be gap between these two free hit chips. So better use it wisely and do not accidentally use in one of the game weeks, because you cannot use it in the next game week where if you need it more. So this is the about the free hit chip, and it is same as the old free hit chip. Nothing has changed. It's the same thing. Like once you free hit and after the next game week, it will be the same team which you played earlier. So you back to the same old team. Okay, so what is the chip strategy? Okay, so this is one of the strategy shared by Ben Crellin, which is I think could be an obvious one to go with, but there's another one which we also discuss later. Okay, so this is one thing which is like we can do a free hit in double game week 22. I think that is quite obvious that everyone will do it, and there's second free hit in blank of game week 30. So in case game week 30, like how it is different. Let's suppose you don't have a good number of players, maybe less than 8 players, less than 9 players. Maybe you can go with this, or you can even skip it. Depends on the type of fixture and how your squad. And there is another thing you can use here is the wild card, second wild card. In case your team is not doing good, you're not happy with your team, and you want to bring some other players, because there's not too much time left nearby 30. So the state game weeks after this, so you can play your wild card also near about maybe 28 or 29, and in game week 30 you can play the bench pool. And on game week 36, which is a potential double game week, you can play the free hit. That's also you can go with it. So, and triple captain also, of course, you can play with the in any game week wherever it's a double game week. And depends, sometimes even in the single game week you get a good return from your triple captain. That's but I think it's quite obvious to use in a double game week, unless you are had a bad luck. Like I believe everyone remember when Mane just scored 1 point in a triple captain as he was injured in first match. So that's what is shared by Ben Crellin, and of course he is a legend. He will share all the double game week fixtures with us, and we can copy aimlessly. But he's a legend. If you don't follow him, please follow. Yeah, so this is the second alternate plan which I'm just talking about. So you can play your second wildcard before game week 30 to set up a bench boost team in game week 30, which is a potential double game week. So instead of playing free hit in game week 30, you can play your free hit in game week 36. And that totally depends on your state of team, like how it is now. Need some good players, and you are far away from getting that players within like 2-3 moves. I think you can go with the a wild card in game week 28 or 29 and set up your team nicely for the bench boost of game week 30. And if your team is good enough, you can just go and roll with it and play your like wild card nearby game week 36. So these are the only two alternate strategies which I feel could work. And let's review the the FAQs now. Some people have get confused like about the chips when to basically. So these are the few pointers for those people. Even I sometimes, I mean not now, but I think some 2-3 years ago I did the same mistake. I wildcarded and I want to play the bench boost in the same game week. So that's not possible, guys. If you are wildcarding in one of the game week, you cannot use other chips. Maybe triple captain, bench boost, etc. You cannot use it because wildcard is also one of the chips. Okay, your team will be same as I mentioned in the next game week if you play the free hit. It will be old squad again. Cannot do anything. Next free hit will appear only from game week 20 onwards. So I think as per the communication which I also mentioned, it will not appear. So don't break your phone if you can't see the new free hit chip. And if you have like taken -4, -8, or maybe -20, whatever, if you did a free hit, those all minus will be gone, and you will not get be deducted for these negative transfers. So these are the some FAQs on the chip. So I hope you find this video informational, and please like and subscribe the channel if you like it. Thanks. See you again.